What is the point that divides the line segment joining 5, 7 and 4, 5 into an internal ratio of 2:3? Let us begin. So here we let's say have a point A, and the coordinates of point A are 5, 7. Then we have another point B. So B has the coordinates 4, 5. So we're going to join point A and point B with the help of a straight line. Now in this line segment there lies a point C. So let's say the point C has the coordinates x, y, and is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. So our goal will be to obtain the coordinates of point C. So since it is dividing it internally, we'll use the internal section formula. So coordinates of point C will be equals to, so we'll begin with the x coordinate. All we have to do is take 2 and multiply with B, and see 3 with A. Meaning, to find out the x coordinate, we'll take 2 and multiply with the x coordinate of B. So that's 4. So we have 2 times 4. Added to, we have 3 multiplied to the x coordinate of A, so we have 3 times 5 divided by the sum of the ratios 2 plus 3. Then to find out the y coordinate, we'll take 2 and multiply with the y coordinate of B, so that's 2 times 5, added to 3 times the y coordinate of A, so that's 7, divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, so we get 2 times 4, that's going to be 8, and 5 times 3, that's 15. So 15 plus 8, so that's going to be 23. Divided by 2 plus 3, so that's 5, and then we have 2 times 5, so that's 10, and 7 times 3, that's 21, so we have 21 plus 10, so that's going to be 31. So we have 31 over 5, and clearly option C is the correct answer.